So I'm setting up the 4-foot LED light strips, and I apologize, I know it's really dark in here, but it needs to be. I'm using that Hupar laser level type projecting thing that I'm finding that thing like more useful than a third arm. But I have projected a line, cross marks on the ceiling here, which go down to both outlets, and that allows me to now put the brackets up to hold the lights in a perfectly straight line. I did notice the first one that I put up, if you don't use some sort of device like this, any little variation looks really kind of hacky. So you got to be right on the money. And this little laser level, I'll put a link in the description for this thing. I forget how much it costs, maybe like 39 bucks, somewhere in there. Worth every penny. I'm finding that I use it for all kinds of cool little things, and this is just one of them. So it does a really nice job. Well, that's pretty close to daylight. It's awesome. Really impressed with these single strips, and they do an amazing job. So it's probably just a few lumens short of actual daylight in here as far as brightness goes. It's excellent, plenty, good enough to work with. And I still have probably another 6 or 7 bulbs to figure out. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe under cabinet lighting for these, or I do have a little bit of a dark spot over this area where the front garage lights end and these don't start. So I might do something in this area, but I'm very pleased with the job that these guys are doing. Excellent. So now that I have the ceiling up, I've come to kind of another milestone here where we have a ceiling in, we have lighting in. It's a workable garage now, and that works out really well because I'm switching gears to get prepped for our 4th of July extravaganza, and I got to rearrange some things to make some room, lay out some pallets for my fireworks, and bring down all the party stuff. So we're at a good stopping place right now. Once we get past the party, got some more summer stuff, get the boat out, have some fun, and then we'll dig back into the garage again, get the insulation up on the walls, start getting the walls themselves up, and then get into cabinetry, have some grading and stuff that we need to do outside, some finished grading now that I don't need to get the scissor lift around the garage anymore because the outside's done. But yeah, we're in a really good spot right now going into the summer. Now it's time to have a little bit of fun. So garage updates will continue as I get the 2-post lift and that type of stuff. That'll be all coming in over the course of this summer, so I'll be sure to keep you updated with that stuff. But I'll be sporadically mixing in some other types of content here in the meantime. So as always, very much appreciate you watching the videos. Really do appreciate that. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, and or criticisms, make sure you throw them down in the comments section. If you like this type of thing, make sure you subscribe. I really would appreciate that. And otherwise, everybody just have a great day.